teeth every morning, every night, up and down and all around. Make them clean and white. Take a brush and toothpaste too, not too much, just a pea. Brush with fun and sing a song. 1, 2, 3, wee! Wee! Brush the front and brush the back. Don't forget to smile. Little teeth need extra care. Brush them for a while. Bubbles, bubbles, swish and spit. Rinse your mouth so clean. Now your teeth are shiny bright and your smile can be seen. Floss, floss, in between. Tiny food gets stuck. Floss it out, don't leave it there. Yucky germs, bad luck. Visit doctor once or twice. Dentist makes it fun. Sit and open wide your mouth. Checkup will be done. Brush, brush, every day. Make your teeth your friend. Healthy teeth and happy smile, shiny till the end.